freshly painted ready-to-move-in home in the heart of Kansas City's Northland. This home offers a thoughtfully designed open floor plan to provide functional square footage. The kitchen comes with all the appliances, substantial cabinet space, open to the living room with a fireplace, a door leading out to the large covered and screened no-maintenance Trek deck, TV included. Covered/screened area is approximately 16 by 16 and then to the fenced backyard. The HVAC system replaced in 2020 and recently serviced. Hunter's Glen subdivision offers a fantastic location in the Northland, sitting within the Liberty Public School District and approximately 15 miles from both downtown Kansas City and KC International Airport. The added bonus is the seller is providing the buyer a 1-year home warranty. There is a